Hello, my name is Yesenia Paquera Canavire. I am 18 years old. I am university student. I am responsibility and friendly. Nice to meet you too. Hi, my name is Maria Lopez Garcia. I am 22 years old. I am a student too. I am creative and organized. Nice to meet you too. What do you do on weekdays? One weekdays I have at 6:30 and then I take a shower and have breakfast. I am go to university at 7:30 am. I am studying in the morning and have lunch at 1 p.m. In the afternoon. I do my homework and study English and watch TV and go to bed at 10 p.m. What about you? I am wake up at 7 am and have breakfast with my family. Then I am go to class. I am studying in the morning and in the afternoon and listen to music and do my homework at night. I am out my phone and sleep at 10:13 p.m. What do you on weekends? On weekends, relax and go with my friends. Sometimes I am go to the cinema and eat pizza. On Sunday, I am spend time with my family. And you? On weeks, sleep more, that clean my room and help me mother. In afternoon, I watch movies or visited my cousin. What do you like doing in your free time? I love listening to pop music and watching movies. I like dancing, but don't like and have watched up early. What's about you? I love books and watching series and like and pizza, but don't like doing difficult homework. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. I like orange juice, but I don't like soda. Do you like? Yes, I do love pasta. What type of music do you like? I like pop music. My favorite singer is Shakira. It was talking to you. Yes, it's all very nice. We are responsibly studying and we are ready to work at Disney. Goodbye. Goodbye, Maria.